Good morning, traders. It is Thursday, February 26th. Just here to do a little trading using the code system of trading. I'll take a trade and I'll come back and show it to you. This can be my first one of the day. Okay, here we go. I've just gone short, taken a short position here, and let me calculate my stop real quick. I'll be right back. Alright, I think it's just going to drop out here. Okay, I think I need to go for more ticks than this. Just a 2078. Let me take a look at it here. Might want to go for more. That's a pretty good drop. Yeah. Well, 20 is high math. I want to get greedy here. I could easily just... But see, here's what I'm looking at. Let me show you. Got the 10 minute. And see, I got a code 1 short entry to go short right at the bottom there. Now it's keep going. But it could snap back at any time. So let's go ahead and put a break-even stop on this thing and let it go for the 20. Okay, 48.96 on the break-even stop. Let me take a look at it. 48.96. 48.96. I'm just taking a look at whether I really want to place it here yet. We're 10 ticks, 85. Yeah, we are. I'm gonna place it. Okay, break even, stop in place. It's a little tight here, but it may pop back up and come get it, or it'll keep going. Pop back up and come get it. You gotta be careful when you're playing down at the bottom of a chart like that, like on the dailies like that, because a little bit of a retractment is your 20 ticks. You know, of course, no, I'm playing the code, of course, but it could just go shallow. You know, the code could be shallow right there. It bottoms out, turns back around. It's better to have it, you know, another type of an entry, and then it goes down, and then it breaks, and then you're in good shape to hold it. But, you know, in every trade, you're not going to get it right. Just try to protect the loss at all times. And when you hit them, you hit them. You are, in fact, using the code, so it, you know, you have an advantage. There's 83, I'm at 77. You're using the code, so you have an advantage, obviously. A huge advantage. But still, the code just gives you entry. It could go shallow. That's why you always see me putting break-even stops on it. Let's say it goes shallow and goes 10, 12 ticks. And then comes back and goes the other way. Code worked, it just was shallow. So that's what the break-even stops for. It protects the loss. Because then I just got to take another trade and get that one right, and then it wins. Take another trade, get that one right, it wins. Doesn't win, break-even stop. Occasionally I'll lose here and there, get the code wrong. As you can see, this thing's going to take a little bit here. So I'm going to pause the video. I'll come back. I'll show you the outcome of this trade. See if it hits the break-even stop or if it continues to go down. Looks like it's going to hit the break-even stop. Okay, I'll come back. I just wanted to show you really quick that that trade got the break-even stop hit on it. So that was my first trade. I'll be back to take more. I came 5 ticks away from hitting the exit, so I had it 15 ticks in it, but it just didn't quite hit it. So close, but no cigar. Okay, I'll come back, take some more trades. Okay, I have taken a long position here. I'm now long using code 1. Going for 20 ticks. should be able to get it off of this one, off this code here. I'll come right back. I'm just going to calculate my stop real quick, and I'll be right back. Okay, I have just reversed position. We have a new code entry. It is to go short. Just reverse position. Took a loss there. I've got an offset, code 1, going short. Tricky stuff. So that's what I mean by you gotta follow the code, you know. If the code says go long, you go long. If it turns around and says go short, go short. Now, the code didn't say go long. I misread it. It was offset. And now that it has revealed itself, I've quickly changed positions and gone short. If you want to win a trade, you got to go the right way, right? Well, code says it's going to go down now. So I am short and waiting for it to drop. I'll be back. Okay, it's dropping down here. Let's go check the exit. 85, 65. See if we can make the exit this time. And 5 ticks away last time. Okay, I am going to let it go. Just taking a look at the code here. We are looking good. We've got 2 code 1 short entries. 2 of them back to back. That's a good sign for it to go down. Good indicator that it'll go down. Okay, I will come back. It's going to take a little while, so I'll come back and show you the outcome of the trade. Placing a break-even stop at 48.84. 48.84 on the stop. Alright, getting close to the exit here. Take a look at the code. We might get a reversal. Come on, don't go up, go down. If it goes down, it's just going to go down even more. I'm going for a bigger exit here. Let me take it an extra 5. Let me take an extra 5 ticks. Bigger exit here. Once it breaks, it's going to go down even further. Come on. Go, 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 go. Break, break, break. That's a code 1 short entry. Come on. Go down. Why this thing's moving slow? Slower than molasses. It's just sort of creeping down. You know, look at the chart. It's just inchworming its way down. Doing it in a very slow fashion. There's the break right there. I'm going to go take a closer look at that. This thing is bouncing up already. Where's that break? That's at 49 and I'm at what? 60. I'm okay. This thing just doesn't ever want to go down far enough to hit my exit. It's like so tight, and it goes up, and then it's so tight, then it goes up and gets the stop, and then it goes back down again, but then it won't go back down to hit the exit, and it goes back up. It's so tight, and it's like, sheesh, man. Where's the oil market at? Can't do 20 ticks here? pause the video here. I'll come back when the trade's over. This will take like an hour or two. Finally going for the exit here, but I'm going to exit manually. This thing just does not want to get me out. There, I'm finally out. It's so weird to watch how it's trading. You know, it's going down, but doing so in such a slow way. Man. It's kind of boring to watch it trade like this. It's just so slow. Anyway, I'll come back and take some more trades. Okay, I've just taken a short position here. Going short for a quick 20 ticks. This should be a quick one. Either that or I'm going to lose a quick 20 ticks. One of the two. But I'm using the code, obviously. 03. Take it down to 02 here. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's getting dicey on me. It's okay, though. It's okay. It's going to get jumpy in here. But once it drops, it's going to drop. Watch. Watch, watch, watch. Here it comes. Here comes the big drop. Gotta watch it, though. I mean, I'm threading the needle in here a little bit, you know. It could easily go back up, and the code could be to go long. But I should be able to get 20 ticks right here. Okay, placing a break-even stop. 48.21 on the stop. 48.21 on the stop. Hold on. Take a look at the code. It's a little tight here. A little tight. Hang on. Let me take a look at something. We're okay. We're okay right now. Everything looks just fine. Take a look at the 10-minute. Daily looks perfect. 10-minute looks very promising. 1 minute looks good. Code looks good. Stand by. Okay, placing the break-even stop. 48.21. 48.21. Hold on a second. This thing just keeps wanting to pop back up on me. Stand by. Let me instead of paying attention to that, let me pay attention to the code. I can always exit, I can always get a re-entry. Let's see here. Taking a look at this. Uh-oh. Let's see. Is this thing going to take off? I think it will. It's going to take off. Uh-oh. I'm in trouble. I'm in trouble. What am I going to do? Am I going to exit? Am I going to reverse? Give me one chance to get out. Come on. Give me one chance to get out. I'm going to have to reverse position here. Darn it. Stupid thing pisses me off sometimes. Alright, going long. Darn it, man. Alright, I'm going for 40 ticks here. No. Let me put this a little bit better. Let me put it at 30 ticks. 37, this will be 67. 48, 67 on the limit. I'm at 57 now. Let's take it to 67. That's 30 tick trade. Should be able to get it. This thing's going to take off. Let me just look at something for a second here. No, 30 ticks. It's tight. Because, see, look. This is what we're doing. We're going against the daily chart. Look at this. Oops. Cancel that out. We're going against the daily chart. Look at this. Look at that. This thing just gave a long entry against the daily chart like that. Jeez. I wasn't expecting that. I was not at all expecting that. In fact, I can't even believe I'm even in this trade. How often does this happen? This doesn't happen very often. But let me calculate this. The bottom's at there, so yeah, I'm up at 60. Yeah, should be able to make that. Should be able to make that exit. If it's going to turn around like this and go against the daily, it's going to do it for a little bit. This is what it's doing, is trying to catch all the people that went short. It's gonna go get them. Oops. Oh no. Just rolled. Accidentally rolled forward. There we go. Okay. 1 minute chart. It's gonna go get everybody. Watch this. It's gonna pop up really hard. Because this is the code 2. Let me take a look at something. Yes, we are looking good. It's going to take off and go up. Watch. This is code 2. I'm playing code 2 totally against code the daily chart. Isn't that funny? Talk about threading the needle. Because ultimately, this thing most likely will go back down. It's going to go up to my exit and then probably turn back around and go back down. But before it does that, the code 2 will be good. And, you know, if I wanted to up my mathematics a lot, just keep it really high, I go for 20. I think I can get 30 out of this because of this daily. Whenever you get a code entry that goes against that daily like that, it's going to be good, but not for very much. It's going to continue to go back down. So I am sort of playing with fire, going for 30. 20 would be more appropriate. I mean, just to be sure, you know? You always want to play a game of high mathematics. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to wait for it to shoot up and go up to the 20 area, and then I'll decide what I want to do. If it looks like it's going to keep going, or if I should just exit right there. But it'll shoot up. Man, it's tricky. A tricky day today. You know, it gave a short. I had to go back and analyze what it did do, but what was I taking? Let me see here. Yeah, I was taking. Yeah, and then it reversed and just went up. I was not expecting that one at all. Not at all. Okay, we're up to the 20 here. 37, 47, 57. 57 is the 20. It almost made it there. Made it 19 ticks. Needed to get up over 57, and then I'll go on manual. And I'll either try to let it hit, or I will exit manually. Let me go ahead and place a break-even stop on this thing at 48.38. Break-even stop at 48.38. Break-even stop in place. Comes back down, just let it break even, call it a day. Goes up, here we go. It's going to shoot up. This is my one chance here. It may not make it to the 30 tick exit. I'm going to go on manual. Taking a look at the code. Okay, we have a possible reversal here. I'm going to go ahead and jump out. If it hits 48, I'm out. Possible reversal coming, I'm out. I just can't get anything today. The thing is just too tight, and it just, I don't know. It's just the way it's working out, you know. Like I said before, every day is different. There'll be some days where you should have nailed like every trade, and it seems like you missed all of them. It's like, how does this happen? And there'll be other days where, you know, just every day will be different. I don't know how to explain it other than that. Just, it's a very complex dynamic that happens every day. Not only does this change, but you change relative to this. Sometimes you play it right, sometimes you don't. Play it right on this one, but you don't play it right on the next one. It just, you know, some days are really hard and choppy. Some days are really easy and flowing. Some days I can't hit my exits. Some days that's all they do is hit. It just changes. But the one thing that doesn't change, relatively speaking, is the code. Actually, the code does change. You have to, adjust with it and find the code and identify and see the code. But it doesn't change relative to the bigger picture, which is it always stays the same. That same code was one you saw, over and over and over again. It's the same thing. So it doesn't change. It does change, but it stays the same. Anyway, trading every day is much more complex, I would say, where it changes all the time. You change relative to how you're playing it, the market also changes. That makes for a pretty diverse change. Okay, so we've got maybe able to get another entry into this thing. I think it's going to go up some more here. Yeah. Okay, I'm going to look for another entry and see if I can get one. Go2 still says go long. I'll be right back and see if I can get. Okay, I'm going to have to wrap it up here today. I just didn't play it very good today. That happens. What can you do? Just move on to the next day. But yeah, I don't know, just didn't play it very good today for some reason. I had a bad day, I guess. So anyway, I'll be back tomorrow to do some more trading. Tomorrow's Friday. And see if we can't do better tomorrow. Every day is a new day. New day, new challenge. So I'll see you traders tomorrow. Hope you guys are doing good. Happy trading. Okay, I have just taken a long position here. We've got a code 1 long entry to go long right at the top of the chart. That means it's going to go up, it's going to break the top of the chart, it's going to shoot higher. Should be able to hit the 20 ticks. It may come close though, it may not hit it. It may just shoot up one more time and then that would be it. Okay, it's getting close to its range. And but I'm going to go for the 20. I think I can, I think there's a pretty decent chance of hitting it, so I'm going to go for it. But at the same time, it shoots up there and goes up, 16, 17, 18, 19 ticks and doesn't hit. I just can hit the exit button. So, but anyway, this is a classic setup right here. Code 1 entry right at the top of the chart. It's going to shoot up, break the top. How high it will go, I can't say. But it's definitely very close to its range right now. It's getting real toppy up here. I'm going to go on manual here. Once it shoots up, it should shoot up one more time. And go, it's going to break this top right there. That's the top. It's going to break that top, shoot up one time. Or maybe like twice. It may go up like eight ticks or so. And then take a pause and then go up a little bit more. And that'll be it. Probably. Or I'm going to be on manual at that point if it doesn't hit my exit at 79. Just waiting for the break. Should break any second. Come on. Okay, I'll pause the video and come back after it makes the break, and just going to let it go here. I am using the code. I'll come back. For you code traders out there, it might help you to see the chart. See what this setup looks like. That code 1 entry to break the top of the chart. And let's go take a look at the 10-minute. Right, there's your perspective on the 10. Okay, 10's been coming down. Now it came back up. It got a code 2 buy entry. And then now we just got a code 1 buy entry right next to the top of the chart. So we're still waiting for it to go break the top here and then shoot higher off that code 1 entry. And this is also a code 2. Now the code 2 is getting real close to being topped out. It's getting close to its range. to its normal range. Now, it could go much higher and break out of its normal range, which it does do, but, you know, just playing it by its range, which is the proper thing to do mathematically, it's getting close. So, one more pop, and it's exit time. Break the top yet? That just broke the top right there, 66. Don't want to get going though. Anyway, I'll come back, show it to you. Okay, here's the pop, looking for the exit now. Got my finger on the trigger. Gonna go for it here. Come on, one more time. Get up there. No, 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 don't come back down now. One more time. One more time, I'm gonna exit. Come on. Get up there. Sheesh. Thank you. Alright, could I just let it go? Wow, it's like pulling teeth to get this thing to move anywhere. Anyway, this has not been an easy day today for me, and it should be. I guess you know what it is? It's the rhythm. The rhythm is all off. This thing's moving so slow. I haven't adapted to the way in which it's moving. Like, for instance, it goes down. It goes down really super far, but just, you know, inchworming its way down. And then, you know, it's going up pretty far, but just inchworming its way up. And it's a little, my timing, my rhythm, or something just doesn't feel right in the trading. Like, you need to be more patient and just wait for these things to happen. I guess. I don't know. Hope it changes back to normal. Maybe it's just I'm coming out too late. That's what it is. Coming out too late. It's too slow. Sometimes it's really active at this time. Sometimes it's really slow. I think right now it's just a bit slow. But it is moving, though. It's just moving slowly. But it is moving from point to point in a big way. Just slowly as it does it. Anyway, that was my last trade. Day's over with now. I was right though. Code. See, let's go take a look at what it looks like now in the 10-minute. See, the setup was here. We were right here when I told you. I showed it to you last time, and then it just shot up. And I told you that was the code 2 to go long, and it was the code 1 right at the top there. So, you know, like I say, there can't be any substitute for using the codes. I mean, how could there be any substitute for that? Nothing is as accurate as the code. Nothing. How could anything be as accurate as the code? It's not possible. It's an impossibility. A mathematical impossibility at that. Which I am demonstrating over and over and over again every day how powerful the codes are in your trading, because they know what's going to happen before it happens. Anyway, I'm going to get going. It wasn't a very good day for me today, but I'm going to come out tomorrow and see if I can't do a lot better. Because I most certainly can. So, I'll be back tomorrow to do some more trading. And let's try to end the week in a good note. And I hope you traders are doing good. All you code traders out there. I know you guys are learning a lot. Getting a lot out of these videos. Getting a lot out of my charting service. And learning how to do this for yourself. Pretty cool stuff, huh? I like it. Trading oil, the biggest commodity in the world. Okay, traders, see you tomorrow. Weekend's almost here. Happy trading.